Every winter, every special operation, every regulatory change, cities face the same challenge: communicating parking rules clearly and effectively. And every mistake costs time, resources, and creates citizen frustration. What if, instead of chasing changes, you could manage them in real time? Introducing the Thin Dynamic No Parking Sign. Cutting edge and ultra-thin, it integrates cleanly for a low-profile look. Remotely connected through our cloud platform, you can activate, deactivate, or schedule your parking rules by street, by sector, or by borough. Gone are useless deployments. Gone are temporary street signs. Gone are vehicle removal delays, all thanks to the Thin Dynamic No Parking Sign. With a geo-located dashboard, you keep full control of your territory. Every action is tracked. Every activation is planned. Every operation is optimized. Already deployed in a large-scale project in Laval, this technology is transforming winter parking management. The Thin Dynamic No Parking Sign system includes an 80-watt or 50-watt solar panel for power, a 3.5 or a 2 3/8-inch post for mounting. The dynamic sign connected via Navigate Trafic Cloud or dim on off, a Carvel ground sleeve anchor for in-ground installation, and a static sign to indicate the direction of the signage. Contact us now to discuss your project with our specialists.